Ever wish your home smelled like a calm garden without chemicals? What if you could make incense from your own plants? The secret to a great scent may already be in your garden. Today, we turn simple plants into natural incense. People have used plants as incense for a long time. Today, we'll pick safe, common plants, blend them, shape them, and burn them the right way. Use what's thriving or already dried: rosemary, sage, thyme, lavender, bay, citrus peels, orange, lemon, pine, cedar needles, or a pinch of resin, and spices like cinnamon or clove. Harvest small, choose clean plants, and dry them fully on a tray for a few days. Be gentle and only take what you need. Think of scent in layers: base notes, slow burn, wood powders like sandalwood/cedar, a little frankincense or myrrh resin. Middle notes: the body, rosemary, sage, lavender, bay. Top notes: bright and quick, citrus peel, mint, a tiny bit of clove or cinnamon. A simple start: 50% base, 30% middle, 20% top. Use a mortar and pestle or a clean coffee grinder. Grind each plant to a fine, dry powder. Store extras in small jars. Keep tools dry. 3 ways. Loose incense, mix your powders. Burn on charcoal in a safe burner or on a mica plate electric warmer. Cones. Add makko powder, natural binder, about 20 to 30% of your dry blend. Stir in drops of water until it's like clay. Shape small cones, almond size. Dry 3 to 7 days, turning once. Sticks. Make a soft paste, same binder. Swipe onto plain bamboo blanks or roll thin sticks. Dry 7 to 14 days. Light the tip, let it glow, then gently blow out to a steady ember. Place on a heat-safe holder. Crack a window. Enjoy the slow scent. Never leave incense unattended. If smoke is harsh, use less resin, grind finer, or add more base. If it won't stay lit, dry longer, or add a little charcoal powder. Try your own blend and share it in the comments.